Hey team, good morning from Ku-ring-gai Chase National Park in the north part of Sydney. Look at this view, oh my God. Where I'm going to take you on yet another 4-hour adventure challenge. If you're new here, hey, I'm Mel. I'm a mum and a shift worker. And so as you can imagine, whoa, my free time is very limited. And so I have learned to fit in these epic micro adventures at every chance I have. Today, I'm gravel riding the eastern side of this gorgeous national park to explore a hidden waterfall.
That is amazing!
Take a dip in its chilly waters. And explore some of the amazing fire roads of this area. For a bit of a change, the adventure took a turn and ended up being a race against the storm back to the car. So hit like and subscribe now. That would mean so much. And sit back and enjoy the ride. Ooh, it's a bit chilly. Today I'm on my giant Revolt, my actual gravel bike. She's pretty new. I only got her about a year ago. I'm still not sure if I will keep her permanently. She's pretty, that's one thing. I love the black and purple. Check out this portal. Whoa, guys. Little grevilleas of some sort. Spring is only a few days away, and definitely within the last 2 days, the heat has really come on strong. So, with all the rain and now the heat, these flowers are loving it. What an absolutely amazing day. It's overcast, it's warm, it's a little bit windy, perfect for a gravel ride. So today's 4-hour adventure challenge is, yes, another gravel ride. I apologize, I was going to do a SUP today, but the tides were totally wrong, and if anyone has tried to SUP against the tide, you'll know why I've decided on a ride instead. So at the start of the Duck Holes Trail, we're going to head down this and see if we can find this secret waterfall. There's so many tire marks, footprints, horse trails. Everyone's loving this weather. So quick time check, it is 10 a.m. Like I said, we're a bit closer to home, so I got a much earlier start today, but I'm still going to do this adventure in 4 hours. Oh, what? Oh my God, can you see that eagle? What? I don't think it was an eagle, I think it was a falcon. What? But, oh my God, it was just there when I was talking to you. I hope you guys saw that, hey? Hey team, so at the bottom of the Duck Holes Trail, and we're 6.7 k's in, and it's 10:06. Let's go looking for this waterfall. So I can definitely hear it. Whoa, so yeah, I have to hike my bike down here. I'm not going to take it all the way down. I might just put it here. Whoa, yeah, I'll just put it here. Wow, but it's gorgeous. Wow guys, I think I nailed today's adventure. The tides being the wrong direction for the stop is a blessing in disguise, because with all this rain we've had, this waterfall is absolutely amazing. Let's go down there. I'm going to go down there somewhere and get some shots from below. Hey team, so this waterfall is way too beautiful not to explore fully. So I'm spending a fair bit of time here, which may cut the ride short, but I think it's totally worth it. I was just at the top and I'm walking through this little goat track now to get down the bottom. I will admit, it wasn't very hard to find, so not so secret probably. Okay, I'll just show you this, just as a safety precaution. Super steep, slippery rocks. Heavy rain recently, waterfall, rushing water. If you're not comfortable out in the bush, yeah, just act within your own limits. I think that's fair to say. So I made it down. Now I got to get through that stuff to get to the waterfall. Here's what a photographer nerd looks like. I have my camera out, my GoPro in here, and then my drone off my back. It's fully worth it though, to show you guys this stuff, to capture its beauty. Wow, I have no idea if you guys can hear me. Again, sorry, I lost the windshield, the wind cover for the mic. So I think you'll be hearing the waterfall more than me. But that's a pretty awesome sound to hear over my voice. What a magical place, guys. I'm climbing up into the cave behind the waterfall. I feel like this is everyone's dream, isn't it? To go behind a waterfall. Wow, guys. That is amazing. Oh my God, this is the best. Okay, my foot is very, very jammed between those rocks, so I'm not going to fall. I'm going to do this. That is actually not as cold as I thought. Maybe I'll go in. Maybe. Okay, guys. It's definitely ice bath territory. But I think I'm going to go in. Ice baths are good for me anyway, aren't they? No, they are. I do try and do an ice bath pretty frequently, but I have been super slack this winter, so this might be a good chance to get in and get restarted for spring. Oh my God, the only thing is I don't have a towel. Luckily, riding should warm me up. I did it. It took my breath away. I did it. Woohoo! Oh my God, guys, it's so beautiful. My legs are freezing and they're stinging because it's so cold. But it's so nice. Okay, time to get my dry bike clothes back on. Okay, I'm done. My hair's wet. I've got my clothes back on. I'm wet underneath, but still pretty warm out, so I'm pretty good. Let's get riding. Hey team, so just a quick time check. It is 10:58, so 11 o'clock. I started at 9:30, so I'm an hour and a half in. So what's that? 2.5 hours to go. It's still heaps of time. Let's go. First, we need to get back up there. Okay, that was easier coming up than it was going down. So yeah, this was what I was talking about before I went down. Yeah, it's a little bit sad. Do I do this track? Whoa, I don't know those clouds. Let's check the bomb, hey? Okay team, I think I'm gonna head back to the car because look at those clouds, and this is the bomb. And I'm there. It looks like they're coming straight at us, and I don't like the yellow, dark green and a little bit of red colours. So back to the car because I've got to go back via the centre trail, which is dirt. I don't want to go up the road. That windy road back up to Terry Hills is not good. But I guess the good thing, we can take a positive, is that I will make it back to the car. Truck. Yeah, so I guess the good thing is about cutting the adventure short to miss that storm is I'll make it back to the car for one. The car is at the Berkelo van at Terry Hills, so I can grab a coffee there and a pastry before I head back to get Zoe. Okay, we're off the road and on the centre trail. It's this concrete just for this steep part, and then we hit dirt back to the car. Whew. Way to top off an adventure, get stuck in a storm. That would be pretty cool. I've been seeing these guys everywhere today. They're gorgeous. I'm not sure what they are. They've got little stars on them. I really should learn more native plants. I thought I knew a lot until I started filming and stopping and showing you guys, and then I'm like, ooh, I actually don't know the name of that one. Oh, it smells amazing. And look at this guy. He looks like he belongs in the alpine area. So, quick time check, guys. It's 11:33 and I've done 13.5 Ks. But these adventures aren't about clocking up kilometers. It's all about the adventure, exploring new places, doing cool things, and just having an epic time, which we've definitely done so far today. Let's keep going and see what else we can get up to. Maybe it's not gonna rain on it. They're dark, but they're not raining. Wow guys, look at this view. Just look at this amazing view, guys. Wow. unfortunately the centre trail, which is higher than the duck holes trail, is still really wet. Just coming to have a look at this amazing rock formation I just saw. There's a worn trail through here, so I'm going to come in and have a look. Yeah, wow. I was just about to say how special this rock is. And then black cockatoos squawked. It doesn't look like that's anyone's home. It's pretty wet under there, and there's no animal poo or animal tracks, and there's a pretty clear line track through here, I think, where humans have walked. So yeah, unfortunately they probably don't come here. It's probably too close to that fire road. Oh, we're doing this. I left my phone on my bike because I didn't realise what. Oh, look at this. Look at that tiny thing thin out of the rock. Whoa, guys. That is amazing. Oh my God, that is incredible. I'm definitely getting my camera out and taking some proper footage of that. I was just thinking, imagine how incredible the photos would be if you could, I don't know if it's positioned right, but say you got a moonrise or a sunrise, or the sun rays through that hole, just with like the rays coming up and the rock blocking the sun with all the colours. So I just stood up. Look at this. I stood up. I did not know that was above my head. So that platform on a sunrise, a moonrise, or a sunset with watching the colours on the opposite side would be incredible. Wow, team. So I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, and a lot of my adventures happen this way. So I stopped going up that Waterfall trail because of the storm that I thought was coming. And because of that, I found this. Now, I don't know how many times I've ridden the centre trail, and I've never seen this rock, or I've never stopped by. That is what's so good about these adventure challenges, because I'm not focused on just riding or running or just getting the exercise in. I'm focusing on having a proper epic adventure, really getting out there, finding amazing places and finding things like this. So it is 12:30 and I have clocked up 16.5 Ks. I think we're pretty close to the car, so it'll end up being almost spot on the 4-hour mark once hopefully I get back in time to grab a coffee from the coffee van. And then once I like have that can be a part of the 4-hour adventure. Today's been a good one though. I think it's my best, my favourite so far. The quad lock's not tight enough. My phone's slipping down. Here we are guys, at the road. Whew. I definitely do need to get fitter. I have some adventures that are going to be like 100 Ks kind of plus gravel riding, so just going to clock up these 50K ones in hope to take you along on some longer ones. It has just started raining and I'm maybe a K from the car. Perfect timing. Oh, we made it. All done and dusted, and it is, let's look, 1:09 and it started to rain on me. Okay, let's get my key out of my bike. Ta-da! Hey team, thanks so much for coming along today on another 4-hour adventure. I think today was my best yet. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd absolutely love if you did a little heart and like my video and subscribe to the channel for more adventures like this. And until next time, see you later. Goodbye. Wow team, just made it. Really come and take my glasses. The fun of filming, riding past and then riding back up. This is like so, don't say like now. Ah.